it's my favorite person. Let's make beans and rice au gratin today. We just need a few ingredients. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a 2-quart baking dish, mix together 2 cups of cooked rice and a 15-ounce can of pork and beans. Cut 5 ounces of Velveeta cheese into small cubes and mix them in with beans and rice. Stir it well to make sure all the rice is coated.
Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 7.5 minutes. Safely remove from the oven so you can give it a good stir so that cheesy goodness coats the rice. Add a splash of milk if it's too thick. Then return to the oven to bake for another 7.5 minutes. Be sure to let it cool for 5 minutes when it's done. All that's left is to make these beans and rice a reality in your kitchen.